video I'm going to share with you how I edit my Instagram photos. Then let's go for the video and make sure to subscribe our channel to get notification. Our channels I have posted weekly, daily, grow on social medias, and make sure to subscribe our channel. Leave a comment below. I subscribe. First, you have installed 2 or 3 free apps on any mobiles. The first or this ProCam X Lite. This app your shoot photos professionally, and it was very good app for shooting videos or any capture photos. So I have first capture my photos in this ProCam X Lite, and second we have edit for Instagram. So first this app for ProCam X Lite, and second app is photo layers, and third app is Snapseed. It is the Snapseed, and these 3 apps are very free, and for all the mobiles should have install it. And first you have shoot on a photo on this ProCam X Lite, and next photo go on photo layers and click on the load your background image here, and choose an action gallery or photos there. I choose gallery because it's so choose any one picture on this. I choose this one, and next click on the Instagram size 1:1 here, and next click on the done on here, and next we have gone on this place and click okay, and click on the cut option there, and click on the magic, and show its magic cut our background easily. So I have most of choose this magic option. It's very easy to erase our background. And next click on the BG color here, and you find out this, and click on the zoom here, click on that, and click on the repair here, and that, and click on this. So you have erase it, and manual size here. And manual here. Oh my god. So you have erase background easily. Okay, then manual here. Okay, then have choose on the done here, and click on the smooth on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, and click on the done, and next click on the color here and our saturation full and fully, and this bluer here very low, and no tint, no brightness and contrast slightly, and that close on that. And this is the most specific app for editing your photos or thumbnails and all the things app. And next we have save it. Click on there and save there. And next we go for the Snapseed. Snapseed is available on any other mobile, and click on the tab anywhere to open your photo, and choose a photo here, and I choose this photo. And next click on the tools here, and lens blur and there's no tools here, and tune image here, and click on that, and saturation bombs here, it's up here, and highlights here, and up here, and ambient, then there's a light down -5 point amperes, and full base, and click on the right option. It's very beautiful, and click on this tool and frame all them. Super excellent time. And click on the tools and glamorous glow. Okay. So next, save for this video. And add photo. Click on the brush here. You have then so brightness up there. You can glow, and unfortunately, and then this one on here. Okay. Next, click on the double explore, but first we have on text on this photo. Double click the text and option here, Instagram. Here. Connect and more of the styles here like this, and click on the right option and click on the double explore. Gonna add image here, that's all. You see the difference of these two pictures. They say there's always clumsy. This is so professional image that or that. What did you like? There's this internet professional picture or this dummy picture. What do you like? I like this professional picture. check like that. All this evolution that my face. And would you like this video? Thumbs up here. And I will use